My name's Frank Proctor, Contracts Manager for Mixbro Construction. We've been doing this building for Norfolk and Suffolk Foundation Trust, and we're just on the verge of handing over. So having complete door sets from Kingsway delivered to site, prefabricated with all anti-ligature ironmongery on is a great bonus to the scheme. There's speed of installation on site for the trades with them packaged up, delivered. It's great working at an early stage with Daryl and Mark from Kingsway. They visit site, we go through the finer details, and ultimately when the parts are all delivered to site, prefabricated with everything on, the site trades can put them all in with minimal hassle and less downtime on the project. And then there's a great overall finish of what I'm sure you can see behind. So, on a standard project, sometimes the lead time of doors these days seem to be going up and up. Kingsway, from sign off of fabrication drawings, normally somewhere between 6 to 8 weeks, which you can program in. I've never known them not to deliver on time or go the extra mile to achieve that.